3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, this is Christine Josty from Mail Something Pretty, and I wanted to hop on today just to show you a little bit of maintenance for your Stampin' Trimmer, particularly the blades. The blades are hard to come by, and they are hopefully they will be available several batches until September of 2019, but I know they sell out quickly, and I just wanted to show you a few things to do to preserve your blades and make them last as long as possible. So this is for the Stampin' Trimmer, and so let me show you. So I'm gonna unlock my trimmer right here. The first thing I'm gonna do is there's this pad, I don't really know what it's called, that sometimes you can even see, look at this little paper in there. It gets little residue, dust and everything. So the first thing you can do is take your, I don't know if you can see, there's even stuff coming up. Take a paintbrush and just kind of get all the dust and everything out of there. It actually comes out. You can even, tap it down, use a paintbrush to get it out. And actually, just so you know, there's two sides. Oh, there's a big piece of paper stuck in there. So you want to, I'll do that later. So anyways, you want to keep it kind of dust free, and so that will help your blade. And the other thing you can do is take a little rubbing alcohol and a little Q-tip. And let's see, I'm probably gonna make a mess. Put a little alcohol on there, and you can put that right along here, and that will also get some of the, you can see the gunk out of there, and so that will keep it clean. And then you put it back in there and let it dry. And the third thing you can do, one of my club members just told me this, and I thought it was a great tip. If you take aluminum foil, you don't need a big part of it, and you can fold it over. You can just fold it in half, or really you can actually kind of make a couple folds. And then if you put it on your trimmer, and the key is here is just keep your blade and start in the middle, don't start in the end. And then you just kind of cut. And you can slide it over, and it just kind of sharpens your blade a little bit, and so that will help with the longevity of your blade, because we want to make them last as long as possible until Stampin' Up! Comes out with their new trimmer. So that sharpens it. The other thing, I don't know if you know this, you can do this with a punch too. If you take a punch and you punch out maybe just one layer of aluminum foil, that will help sharpen your punch. And then just go back with a paintbrush, because I got a little piece of foil just to make sure there's no foil in your little, whatever, this track pad, or I don't know what it's called. So those are three things that you can do to kind of help preserve this hot commodity of the Stampin' Trimmer blade. So I hope this is helpful, and I will keep letting you know on my emails when the blades will be available. They're gonna, Stampin' Up! Told us they're gonna tell their demonstrators, and then we will tell you when they're available to purchase, and they're supposed to have a few batches until September. So make sure you're on my mailing list for that. So that's at mailsomethingpretty.com. You just need to put your name and email right in the box. Thanks so much, and I will talk to you next week. Bye-bye.